Yeah.
All right, so if I was down here, if I was on level one, and a miracle happened and bring me to level five, I started at level 10, but I went down to level one, and a miracle bring me to level five. Would it be wrong of me to like this? It this all is this really a miracle? I want to be on level 8 or 9. Well, I was at one, but now I'm at five. Like, how you feel about that?
Well, I know how you'd feel. You'd be
Oh,
grateful that you're not at one anymore. Gratitude is part of your life, that you would be grateful that, well, at least I've got some mobility. I'm back to five. Yes, it would be nice back to be back at 10, but
yes.
the
Oh my
reality
God.
is I'm at five.
I swear on everything. I'm so grateful that I came this far. But I miss running around, jumping. I want that stuff back so bad. I dream about it and fantasize about it. But I look at it like, at least I'm not paralyzed from the neck down no more.
Exactly.
But still, though,